What's going on, team, and welcome back to another video. So I always get asked this question, and it's, Ninif, what can I do outside of trading? What are some of the best practices that will help me learn these markets without me having to look at a chart? So today I want to break down 4 best practices that you can do outside of trading. So the first one we have to start is reading news. Every single trader should be doing this. Whether it's staying up to date with economics, earnings, or projects of a company, all traders should be doing this. One of my favorite quotes from John Murray is when he's describing price action. Price action should reflect shifts in supply and demand. If demand exceeds supply, prices should rise. If supply exceeds demand, prices should fall. This action is the basis of all economic and fundamental forecasting. Essentially, what he's saying is that all fundamental forecasting is reflected in price action. So if you can understand the state of the economy or the supply and demand of an asset, you know when's a good time to buy and sell. This is why we provide the weekly economic calendar within the Discord community. We can expect a busy or volatile week just from this calendar itself. So reading news and keeping up with fundamentals will really help you with your trading. Now, moving on to the second practice, we have journaling. Every single trader should be doing this. This is one thing that's going to take your trading to the next level. So if you're not doing this already, you better get to it. There are so many benefits behind journaling, but the number one benefit is that it keeps yourself accountable for all your trading decisions. No matter if your day was red or green, you can always note something about the day which will help you improve. When you make a mistake in the market, you can note it down in your journal so that next time you don't make the same mistake. And it'll also keep you responsible of staying disciplined to your strategy because you don't want to make that same mistake. Journaling also tracks your progress and helps you with pattern recognition. For example, let's say you're in a time where market conditions really aren't the best and you're struggling to make money. If you've been journaling long enough, you know that patterns repeat themselves. So there's most likely a similar time that you've experienced in your journal. What you can do is go back to these notes and see exactly how you manage risks or see exactly how market conditions played out. Now, what are some things that you can write in your journal? Well, the number one thing that you should be writing is your emotions. And you can note down your emotions throughout the day or the emotions felt in a specific trade. Note down things that you did good and bad, but make sure that you're always positive. So if you're ever saying something bad about yourself, try to say it in a positive manner. You can write down what strategy you used and if you followed the strategy or not. And lastly, you can write down each and every single trade that you take, noting down the exact entries, exits, P&L, and as well as the duration of the trade. Moving on, we have nighttime analysis. This means doing all of your charting the night before a trading session. What you do is mark out key levels and areas of interest. We do this because when the market reaches these levels during the trading session, we already have a game plan in place. We know if we're going to buy, sell, take profit, or whatever it is. And these areas of interest can be highs, lows, fair value gaps, indicators, whatever it is, as long as it's an area of interest for you. When you mark out your key levels the night before, you wake up with your mind at ease, and it also creates so much time for you to focus on other things in the morning. For example, there's a lot of news catalysts that come out in the morning, so now you can focus your attention towards those reports instead. And for the last practice that you should be doing outside of trading is watching videos. There's so much content and material that you can learn from online, and if you're not watching at least 1 or 2 videos a day, then you're not learning enough. Even if you're just covering the basics, this will help you build a solid foundation. Keeping up with the market and staying refreshed is never a bad thing. So watching videos is essential for you if you want to learn more about these markets. With that being said, team, if you have any further questions on this video, please reach out to us through the questions channel located in the Discord server.